Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Right-click an empty section of the taskbar and look for Lock the Taskbar. If it's checked, click to unlock. This lets you move it freely. Once done, open Settings, then Personalization, and then Taskbar to access official placement controls. Make sure to keep a visible desktop area so you can drag without obscuring icons. These steps prepare the system so you can reposition the bar without accidentally changing other taskbar behavior. You'll now move the bar. Click and hold any empty spot on the unlocked taskbar and drag it toward the screen edge you want, top, left, right, or bottom, and release. If dragging is disabled, use Settings Taskbar Behaviors to set taskbar alignment. Make sure to adjust icon size or auto-hide so the bar fits your workflow. Small buttons save space. For multi-monitor setups, specify which display shows the main taskbar to avoid duplicates and keep things tidy. Finish up by locking the taskbar so it stays put. Right-click and re-enable Lock the Taskbar once you're happy with the position. If the bar won't move, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager or confirm display scaling isn't blocking movement. Mismatched scaling can prevent dragging. Make sure to tweak overflow and icon settings so everything is visible. One troubleshooting tip: if icons disappear after moving, toggle auto hide and then lock again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.